Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing tips for long healthy hair. I wanted to say a huge thank you to Aveda for collaborating with me on this video, and let's get right into the tips. So tip number one is skipping the daily shampoo. I'm sure you guys heard of it before, but what happens is that a lot of us think that we need to wash our hair right away as it gets oily. The problem is we're stripping all the healthy oils out of our hair. What I recommend doing, and I've seen a huge improvement in my hair once I started doing it, is shampoo twice to max 3 times a week. Let your hair soak in its natural oils. It's healthy for your scalp, it's healthy for your hair. Tip number 2 is something that I started doing in the past year. I think it was a hairstylist that I work on set with that told me to do it. So what I like to do is when I shampoo my hair, we obviously want to feel comfortable. We have a warm temperature on. When you are almost done washing your hair, what you want to do is put it on a cooler temperature. In general, it's actually really good for your body as well, but specifically for the hair. Tip number 3. A lot of us make this mistake when we come out of the shower. Most of us brush our hair. I brush my hair because I don't want to get all tangled up. But the tip that I want to give you is, first of all, being very gentle with your hair because it actually more prone to breakage when it's wet. So what you want to do is when you brush your hair when it's wet, you want to start from the end and go all the way up and really be gentle with it. Don't pull, don't tug at it. Take care of your hair. Number 4, and that's something that I think all of us are guilty of. We run to hot tools the minute we wake up in the morning. A lot of girls do, their blow dries or their curls, string their hair, and I like to do that sometimes as well. But honestly, the best thing you can do is try to avoid overusage of hot tools. I don't really need to explain you the science behind it. It's hot, it breaks the hair, it gives you split ends. You're just exhausting your hair. There are so many hacks today online to create wavy hair without heat, to give you curls without heat. So I would really recommend you guys to research a little more about it, find techniques that you like. Tip number 5. Sometimes it's good to trust specialists in this area to give a little boost to your hair. So something I did with Aveda recently was going to do their hair color shine treatment, which is 93% naturally derived hair color from Aveda. So if you guys want to learn more about this treatment, you can check out Aveda channel. I did a video there about the treatment, did a little vlog of how I got the treatment, and I'm gonna link it in my description box. Tip number 6, if we're already talking about getting help from other sources, I honestly always tell people to get regular trims. I know that a lot of us really want to grow that long healthy hair and we're just really skipping on the trims, but it's so important to have a strong base for the hair to grow on. I go and get my hair trimmed every 4 to 6 months at least, just so it will be healthy and won't be thin and brittle at the end. Very important. Then tip number 7 is a kind of DIY mask that I do. When I don't have a specific mask at home, I'll use coconut oil. That is always such an amazing and natural product that most of us have in our homes. I'll just put it on my hair overnight and just put my hair up in a towel and go to sleep, and wake up in the morning, I'll wash it, I'll condition it, and my hair is good to go. Or if you have a hair mask that you prefer using, what I like to do is kind of bang it out, do a few things at the same time. So what I'll do is that if I'll go to the gym, I'll put a hair mask, put my hair in a bun. It's gonna be sweaty and gross anyway, so I might as well moisturize it. It's like I treated my hair and my body at the same time. A little beauty hack. Tip number 8 is don't sleep with your hair up. This is a mistake that I've been doing for a couple of years, and then someone was like, what? Why are you sleeping with your hair up? And I'm like, what? I don't know. Anyways, don't do it. It's you moving around at night. It breaks your hair. Just let it free. And then with elastics, you want to make sure that, first of all, when you do put an elastic in your hair, when you take it out, don't pull on it. Just this motion. Can you imagine what happens to your poor sensitive hair? You just put it. Don't do that. So you want to make sure that you're really taking your time to take it out slowly without ripping your hair apart. And this is it, you guys. These are my tips for long and healthy hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tips, and if you have any hacks that you use, please let me know. I need to know. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.